FESPA 2019. You can find us in Hall B6, stand A30. Are you ready to imagine the future of print with us? Let's take a walk towards the future, shall we? So, Mimaki has a rich heritage in digital printing and we started from a sign and graphics marker. So as you can see, I'm wearing the Tessa Cope's dress. And did you know that Mimaki invented the first digital textile printer? Check out our latest textile printer and collaboration with Tessa Cope's. Do you need a break? Lounge with our hospitality area with the best coffee in the galaxy and futuristic Mimaki cocktails. It's your choice. Check out our latest UV flatbed printers in combination with our brand new 3D printers in this area. You won't believe it until you see it, but we can print almost everything. Like this toothbrush, this. Join our daily live presentation, check out the beautiful work of interior designer Claire Vos and discover what we have in store for the future. Look how nice this is. Metallic ink is opening up a whole new spectrum of possibilities. Robotic arms and print automation. And then here, the world's first full color 3D printer, over 10 million colors. Look how nice this one is. And one more thing, don't forget to share Mimaki experience using #FutureOfPrint for a chance to win a cool gadget. And see you soon!